Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make 3 super easy high fat low carb meals which I have been enjoying a lot lately. So this first one is something I've been having a lot for lunch. We are having really hot weather, really dry, so I find this very refreshing and it's done in such a short time. So I have a couple of tomatoes and I'm slicing them thinly. You can do this also with cherry tomatoes, works really well. The main thing for me is that they're very ripe. And then I have some freshly made goat cheese, and this is just soft cheese. It's really delicious, really creamy. It's from our goats that only eat grass, so it's amazing. And so I put that in a plate and then I arrange the tomatoes all around the cheese. And here I am taking some little basil leaves. I can't actually grow basil in the garden, so I buy the little leaves like that and I keep them in a little jar with water, and they keep really well, much longer than just keeping them in the fridge. So I chop them roughly and I put them over the tomatoes, and then after that I pour some organic extra virgin olive oil over this, and then I have this little balsamic vinegar which has been infused with blackberries. It's delicious, just amazing. It's full of flavor, and that's it. I put a little bit of pepper over the tomatoes and that's it. So it's basically ready in 10 minutes and it's delicious, and it's also super filling. This is another meal that is super easy to put together, only 3 ingredients, and it's filling and it's delicious. It's some tinned salmon, wild caught salmon, some green beans and a poached egg. So recently we had this amazing harvest of green beans in the garden, so I've been using them quite a lot lately. I like to steam them or just boil them in very low heat in a little bit of filtered water for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then while they're cooking, then I poach an egg. And I love using poached eggs on top of recipes because they look really pretty. And if you add a little bit of vinegar to the water, then you are ensuring that the egg white and the whole egg stays in one piece. I used to make those before without the vinegar, and then the whole egg white disintegrated completely. So this is how it looks when it's ready, and then I serve it on top of the green beans and then the salmon. I can't get wild caught fresh salmon here in Colombia, so I have to buy it in a tin, and it's delicious, and I love salmon and egg together. And this last recipe is a super filling and delicious omelette. So for this one I'm using some sausage that I sliced thinly, and then I cook it in a cast iron skillet. I use cast iron pretty much for everything, so it takes about 6 minutes to cook this. And then once they're almost done, I add some thinly sliced mushrooms to the pan, and then once they are cooked through, I move them to the side in a little bowl, and then I whisk 3 eggs, and once they're already well mixed, I add them to the same skillet. I just do everything in the same pan, and then I'm going to cook them there for about 3 to 4 minutes. And just once I know that the bottom is almost like cooked and it sets, I add the previous things that I cooked. So I put only to half of it, the mushrooms and the sausage, and I also have some homemade feta cheese, which is amazing, just crumbles so nicely. And this also makes the omelette taste really amazing. I like adding big chunks of it. And lastly, some fresh chives as well. I love the color that they bring to the omelette, and just the combination of these flavors is completely amazing. So once I have all the things there, I fold the omelette in half. They broke a little bit on the side, but it doesn't matter because it's completely delicious. And then I leave it there until I see that basically the cheese starts to melt, and that's it. I serve it with some more chives over the top, and this just really keeps me full for hours. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite recipe of the 3. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.